What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And in this video, we will be talking about the perfect distance of which your subject should stand to the background. Now, I measured this all out. We're gonna do 1 foot from the back, or 1 foot from the background, 3 feet, 5 feet, and 7 feet. Now, I have this softbox here. It's an Angular 36" with a AD400. And I also have a V-flat from V-flat World here just to make it realistic. I could just use this, but I want to be able to bounce some of that back on to the face. And that's going to be how we do it the first time. The second time, I'm going to put a grid here. And the reason why is because I really want to show you the shadow that it's going to cast onto the background. And we're going to see if it makes a difference if I use a grid versus no grid at all. So we're going to jump straight into this and see how the results go. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. All right, so we are starting at 1 foot right now. This is 1 foot. I got the light set up and everything, and we're gonna get started. All right, perfect. Right here, perfect. And you can see that shadow is coming on the wall a little bit to the left and down. And let's get another one, perfect, just like that, perfect. And that is that. Now let's move along to the 3 feet. You probably can't see it. Let me move this. About right there. All right, cool. And I'm gonna move this another 2 feet like that. Perfect. And just in case if you're curious, my flash power is on 1/32 of a second. So, or 132 power. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I like that, but I don't know if anything changed. So let me just kind of come like that. But I don't see any shadow on the background at all. Let's go again. Perfect. Nice. Yep. And let's go up to 5 feet now. Can you see it? Perfect. Same thing. See, did I block you guys yet? Just a little bit. All right, and then bring the light again. Kind of sort of like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Once again, just to make sure. You think about, oh, we're gonna stay, no, we're gonna stay at the 5. You still at the 5? All right, perfect. Just come right there, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Nice. So this is still at the 5. We just adjusted the light a little bit more. I like it. No shadow on the background at all. Now let's do 7 feet, all the way up. Let me move this a little bit first. That's 7. No, I got it. I'm gonna let you get where you are right there. Yep. And I'm gonna come right here. I could bring this right here. All right. Okay. 7 feet from the background. Perfect. Okay. Let me just bring this a little closer. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And you can also tell that the background is getting darker as we pull a little bit further away from it. Let's go again. Perfect. All right. Now that's 7 feet, 5 feet, 3 feet, and 1 foot. Now we're gonna put the grid on and do it all over again. Now, before we continue, let me just talk to you guys about the sponsor of today, which is me. I have been working on a photographer's apparel brand for a while now. This shirt that I'm wearing right now is a part of it. It is called the Photographer Booked Club. Now, not book, but booked with an ED on that. Now, this shirt also isn't for sale now, but if you start looking below this video, you will see a few shirts that we do have for sale right now. So make sure you grab one. When I make this be available for sale, the quantity is gonna be real limited. One, because I don't want Jared suing me. Don't sue me, bro. This shirt is something that I put together just because of the inspiration that Jared Poland gave me when I first started photography back in 2009, 2010. So like I said, this one is gonna be limited quantity. I had to order a lot of shirts just to make sure that, you know, it was something that I felt good enough releasing to the public, and you know, the quality is good, so that's why I'm already wearing this, although I'm not sure when I'm gonna make it available to sell. Now, we're gonna go ahead on and jump back into the video, but check out photographersbookclub.com. Okay, so now we are starting over with the grid now, and we're gonna start at 1 foot, and then we're gonna keep going on. I have the power set now to 1/16 power, because that grid is going to take some of that light, so we need to push more light to it. So let's go, 1, 2, 3. Yep, and that's good. You can see that shadow that's going right there on the left. Let's do it one more time, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna go to 3 feet, right there. Go back just a tad bit. Yeah, like the top of, yep, that's perfect, yep. And it just, yep, great. Okay, perfect. Then let's move this. Perfect. All right. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. That shadow is actually not present like that. 3, 2, 1. All right, I like that. So as you can also see, the background is getting darker faster, but that's because of the grid not touching it as much. Now we're gonna make our way to 5. And usually, just to let you know, 5 feet is usually where I position people when I shoot. Let's come over here. Can you see it? All right, step back a tad bit. Oh, just a tad bit more back, right there, perfect. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Nice. And you can see that background is real dark now because that light is not touching it. 1, 2, 3. And I like it though. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. I really like that. I like that a lot. All right, so let's do 7 feet. And I'm kind of curious to see what this is gonna, go back just a tad. Yep, right there. Curious to see how the backdrop is going to be with this one. Okay. Let's see if you guys can still see. You can, but let me back you up a little bit. Perfect. All right, you ready? Lift that up a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. And I'm not sure if you can see, the shadow that's at the top is actually coming from the light that we have in here hitting those backgrounds. And you could probably see it on the camera a little bit, but that's really coming through in the photo. But that's an easy fix. But I just want you to know what that's coming from. And I can actually get some, but not, I really like the way that looks. That looks great. I like that. Yeah, that looks.
That's some bigger cameras,
Yeah, I like that one. Looks. I'm a fan. Let's get some more. And boom, boom. Yeah, these look really good. So let me come here to get the conclusion. So basically, there's no right or wrong way. It's really gonna be personal preference on which one you like the most. But in the comment section, let me know which one is your favorite as far as grid, not grid, 1 foot, 3 feet, 5 feet, or 7 feet. Me personally, I really like the grid on the 7 foot. I think these last shots that we just took look really, really good, but that's my opinion. So until the next time, I'm Ryan Troy, peace.